Sir Goal heated gloves. I got the medium size. I would say they fit exactly the size because I'm between a medium and a large, and this medium is probably just a tad too small for me. I probably should have went up to the large. But I'll tell you what, these are really nice. They're IP67 rated, which means you can submerge them in water. So they're pretty much waterproof, you know, not forever, but eventually, you know, the water will seep in. They have 2 retentions right here. So you pull this one, this will keep the heat inside the glove, and it also has this one here. This will basically keep like snow out. As for the battery system is inside here, and this is the battery. So it's got a nice little spot for it. I did some individual testing on these. On medium setting, these stayed on for 5 hours. Okay, so it says on there it's 8.5 hours. I'm assuming the 8.5 hours is on low setting, which I don't have any reason to believe that it wouldn't last for 8.5 hours, if not longer. Extremely comfortable. They also work with your phone, so if you're trying to swipe on your phone, they will work. You know, and they're just comfortable. See the rubber here? I guess that's rubber. But they're really nice. I really don't see any issue. I think they're gonna be really nice, especially for like those games or football games where you're sitting there freezing, or if you're snowboarding and you're moving around, you need to grab something. You know, they're pretty ambidextrous. They feel real well. Ambidextrous wasn't the right word. I think there's another word for it I'm looking for, but we'll just leave it. They have also a tether, so you know if you need to take them off, you can, and you know put them around so you don't lose them, because these are nice gloves. You wouldn't want to lose these gloves. So check them out. This is the button to turn them on and off, and to also control low, medium, and high. There is an LED indicator that tells you the amount of battery that's in there. It also tells you what levels on high, medium, or low. So really happy. I like them. Very excited.